Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to use the camera on the Pynq board. So I have connected the camera to the Pynq board on USB port. So this camera is connected. Now how to open this terminal So if you don't know, then you can refer my previous videos. So I will explain this file. So this from ping.overrelays.base, this is the overrelay files. If you want to run some program on the Ping board, this file is needed. So this I have written, and from ping.library. From the Pynq libraries, we need to import this video file. So I have imported here, and this import CV. So you know this. If you know the Python, you can understand this import CV to run this. So here this to use the camera and capture the image, I have written this function capture image. In this you can easily understand this function. So I have written this. Now I will run this capture image function. So run. See, this this is a capture, means this image is captured and it is saved in this file image save is capture image.jpg. This is the file name. So I will go to the home page and see, this is capture image.jpg. Second ago it is updated. So I will open this. See, this is image which is captured. So this is our program to capture the image from the Pynq board. So thank you.